Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. I have come with a good news. IBPS SU का notification आ चुका है with a lot of vacancies, bumper vacancies in every stream. In the legal stream, there are 125 vacancies. For IT stream, there are 170 vacancies. We'll be discussing about this notification in detail in this video. This is the notification PDF. You can download this from the description below. There are vacancies for IT officer, AFO, Rajbhasha Adhikari, law officer, HR, personal officer, marketing officer. Here, when you look at the important dates, online registration form will start from 1st of August to 21st of August. Your online prelims exam is in November. अकॉर्डिंग टू IBPS कैलेंडर 9th of November को आपका एग्जाम है. आपका ऑनलाइन मेंस का एग्जाम दिसंबर में है, समवेयर 14th of December में है. कंडक्ट ऑफ इंटरव्यू विल बी इन February March and then provisional allotment is in April 2025. Let us look at the eligibility criteria. Your age should be minimum 20 years and maximum 30 years. Then you have relaxation in age for various categories. You can check them out. Coming to the education qualification, you should have education qualification as on 21st of August 2024. The cutoff date is 21st of August. The education qualification required for law officer scale 1 post is a bachelor degree in LLB and enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council. Enrollment is mandatory. This enrollment can be with State Bar Council or with All India Bar Council. Age should be between 20 and 30 years. For post other than IT officer scale 1, candidates should have certificate, diploma, degree in computer operations language, should have studied computer or information technology as one of the subjects in high school, college. All education qualifications mentioned should be from university, institution, board recognized by Government of India, and the final results should have been declared on or before 21st of August 2024. Detail of credit history is also given. Now coming to the structure of examination, there is prelims, then there is mains, and then there will be interview. For law officer, in prelims you have English, reasoning and general awareness with special reference to banking industry. There are 50 questions in each subject. English की weightage half है, 25 marks के हैं. Reasoning and general awareness 50 marks का है. Total paper 150 questions का है, 125 marks में attempt होगा. Duration is 2 hours for this paper. Then coming to the mains examination. In mains, you will have single test of professional knowledge. चाहे लीगल, IT, AFO कोई भी हो, प्रोफेशनल नॉलेज का आपका टेस्ट होगा. 60 क्वेश्चंस होंगे, 60 मार्क्स के, to be attempted in 45 minutes. There is a penalty for wrong answers in the objective test. There is 1/4 negative marking present for any wrong answer. Then each candidate will be required to obtain a minimum score in the test of online main examination and also secure sufficiently high score to be considered to be shortlisted for interview. This means sectional cutoff or overall cutoff दोनों होंगी. Marks obtained in the online main examination only will be considered for shortlisting for interview and also for final merit listing. आपका prelims qualifying है, मेंस के मार्क्स और इंटरव्यू के मार्क्स को जोड़कर आपकी फाइनल मेरिट लिस्ट बनाई जाएगी. Then you will have an interview to be conducted by participating banks. The total marks allotted for interview are 100. Minimum qualifying marks in interview will not be less than 40%. The weightage of online main examination and interview is 80:20 respectively. बाकी सभी डिटेल्स आप इस नोटिफिकेशन PDF में से पढ़ सकते हैं. This is attached in the description. I will just move to the vacancies now. For law officer, there are a total of 125 vacancies. For unreserved 55, for SC 18, for ST 8, for OBC 33 and for EWS 11. There are total 125 vacancies, which is very good vacancies for law officer. There are many banks who have not yet reported the vacancies. अगर ये banks भी अपनी vacancies report करने लग जाएंगे तो number of vacancies increase भी हो सकती है. So there are a minimum of 125 vacancies in IBPS law officer this year. So these are all the details. I wish you all the best for your preparation for this exam. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. We also have courses which can help you in the preparation of IBPS SU exam. You can check out our courses, enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.